beautiful people, welcome back to another episode of I Am TJ. Wanted to show you guys a really quick floral arrangement that I made for my dining room table using these gorgeous fake flowers from the Dollar Tree. They were put out earlier this year. Want to show you how quick and easy it is to make a centerpiece for your table. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. So the roses, you guys, again came from my local Dollar Tree. They put them up earlier this year. They were out around Valentine's time, which is about February earlier this year. The 3 ceramic balls that you see on the table, I picked those up at my Target dollar spot. And the little floral arrangement that's there, I purchased that from Home Goods. I think it was about $4 or $5. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and join the IMTJ family. If you are a returning IMTJ subscriber, thank you so much for sticking in there with me. I love you, love you, love you. I will see you beautiful people on my next video. Also, if you haven't seen my latest video on how I lost 5 pounds in 3 days, go back and check that out. Bye!